Hello guys, my name is Agbanti Emmanuel, and today we'll be building a full header using the basic logic gates together. So we'll start by bringing our two inputs, which we'll name them our A and B. Okay, this is our first one. This is our second one. So let's name them. Let's name this one B, and then this one should be named A. All right. So we'll bring one AND gate. Our one AND gate will be somewhere around here. All right, our AND gate will accept two inputs and then will output only one. Okay, so we'll connect this to our AND gate. So let's connect it to. All right, and also we're connecting the second one to this. So we'll be needing one OR gate. So our OR gate will be somewhere around here. Let's make it wide. Let's make this too wide. So, okay, and our OR gate will be accepting two input as well, and will output one. So now let's connect our OR gate to our AND gate. So our first input will be connected to the A, and our second input will be connected to B. Please, I hope you understand what I mean by B. So we have our third input in here. Okay, let me put it somewhere around here. And then with this one, we'll name it, this is our scene. Yes. So we are done with the first step. Now let's get two XOR gates. Let's get two XOR gates. Let's make it wide, and it will also be accepting two inputs only. So we put in our XOR gates, the first one over here. Let's copy, paste. The second one will also be put over here. All right. So we'll be connecting the first one. We'll be connecting the output to the first input pin of the second OR gate. So you can see, and then this pin over here will be connected to the first one, and then this one will be connected to the second. And we'll be connecting our sign, to this. All right. And then we'll be needing two AND gate as well, which will accept two inputs. And will output one. And we'll put two of them over here. Two of them here. And we'll be needing one OR gate to accept two inputs, and then bring out only one output. So we'll be placing it here. All right, so let's join these ones together. Okay. So now our AND gate will be connected to this. Okay. And then our second AND gate will be connected to the second pin of the OR gate, just like this. So let's bring our mux here. Let's go to arithmetic. You can see, sorry. Okay, let's go to the plexus. Let's take our mux here. So our mux, okay, I think it's cool. So let's place our mux here. Okay, somewhere around here. And our mux will be accepting 3 inputs. Yes, 3 inputs. So this will be connected to this, then this connected to this, and also this will be connected to this. So over here we'll be connecting our XOR gate to this, to the output of the mux, and then we'll bring our decoder here. So this is our decoder. Okay, let's turn our decoder to the west. Okay, I think it's cool now. So let's now connect our decoder to this, and then we'll connect our pin over here. Let's turn this to north. And now our pin is here. So let's connect it directly to this. So over here, we'll bring our output here. Then let's connect something like a LED to this, which will bring out our output. Okay, let me check it here. Okay, so let's connect it. Okay, so now let's cross check. I think everything is done over here. So let's test it out. So you can see that when our decoder, okay, so you can see that when our decoder is on, you can see our light here is on, but the A's, B, and the remainder is off. When we on the remainder and we off our decoder, you can see that our LED is off. But when we on our A, you can see that our LED is on. You see, when we off our remainder, you can see that our LED is off. Now, when we on the B, you can see that the B with the A, it ons our LED for us. But when we off the A, you can see that our LED is off. Now let's on B and our C together. You can see that our LED is off. Our LED is on. Okay. So now let's on our decoder. Let's see, still our LED is on, Now when we on the C and we on the B, you can see that our LED is off. Now when we off the C and we leave the B alone, you can see that our LED is on. And when we on the A, you can see that our LED is off. When we on the B, you can see that our LED is on. So whenever the decoder is on, you can see that only one input is allowed, or should I say yes, only when you on the A, you can see that it is on, but when you on the B, you can see that it is off. Now when you off all of them and you on the B, you can see that it is on, but when you on the third one, you can see that it is off. Now when you off it, let's turn all of them. When we turn all of them, you can see that everything is on. When we off the B, you can see that it's on. We off the A, you can see that the remainder alone couldn't on our LED for us. When we off our remainder and we on the B alone couldn't on it for us. When we on A, you can see that the A and the B were able to on it. Now when we off the A and then we on the B and the remainder, you can see that still it was able to on it. But when we off it, you can see that the B alone couldn't on it for us. So now let's on the B and then the decoder. You can see that it on it for us. Okay, so I think guys, this is what we are doing today, and I hope you enjoy the lecture. So maybe we'll meet other time. Thank you for your time.